everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to create a creamy tofu pasta. To start, we're going to add the salt to the pot and then the pasta. So we're going to add some salt, throwing in the pasta. To make this quick dinner recipe, we're going to roast some garlic and tomato. So we're going to just put this over here, add the tomato with the garlic. Some oil and salt. We're gonna add this to the oven for 10 minutes. The reason why we're roasting the garlic is for the flavor, to bring out the flavor a little bit in the pasta. So we're just gonna add a little bit more salt and add it to the oven. Guys, this recipe is so easy to make, your family will enjoy. Okay, so we're gonna make the coconut sauce now. We're gonna add the coconut milk and the cashew with the onion powder. Okay, so we're gonna add some oil to the pot and shallow fry our tofu. I'll put a list in the description box with how the seasonings I use to marinate the tofu. Feel free to leave a comment of the recipe you'd like me to create next. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this channel with your friends. So we're just gonna leave them to just brown up on each side. This fine, we're gonna cut the garlic as fine as you can. Okay guys, so the tofu is pretty much ready. So we're just gonna put it over here. You don't have to wash the pot, that's not necessary. We're gonna add the coconut milk. Because remember the seasoning that the tofu was marinating in, it will flavor the milk. And now we're adding the pasta. I've added some parsley flakes. So this is the additional coconut cream that we created with the cashew. Adding also the sweet pepper. We can add also the tofu. Guys, this is, oh my gosh, I wish you could taste it. It's so amazing. It's so nice. You can see how creamy it is. Now the tomato, we're gonna add that last because it's soft, so we don't want it to crush out and while stirring the food. So nice. I'm gonna taste it now and let you see. This is so good. I hope you try this recipe. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know. Please, thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more amazing plant-based videos. Until next time, bye.